Hello friends, in my last video I told you I would show you how to build games, websites and more using ChatGPT. So here we are in ChatGPT. We're going to GPT-4, which just came out today. We're going to take it for a test run. I'm going to ask it to build me a website for a couple of business types. So here we go, create a simple HTML website for a business consulting firm. And this takes seconds, maybe a minute at worst. So there it is, coding away. Doesn't miss a beat. Now, it's even naming it business consulting firm, ABC business consulting firm, tidying up all those tags, the hrefs and so on. Can you imagine that? This is what people used to do by hand some time ago, right? And then we got into the WordPresses of this world and many other tools that could be used to build a website, but it still knows its basic HTML amidst other languages, right? So if you ask it to code in JavaScript or ask it to code in Python, it will. Go to our WYSIWYG and let's stick it into that WYSIWYG and see what happens. All right, there's the WYSIWYG page. Just delete everything in there and then paste what we've got. Go to the top and switch to the WYSIWYG editor from the code and scroll down. Now I'm going to my desktop and I'm going to open up this website.htm. I'm going to open it with Chrome and boom, there it is. It's got the home, it's got the services, it's got the about us and the contact, and all you would need to do is come in here and make the adjustments. So pretty impressive, isn't it? Okay. Well, that's one thing that you can do with GPT that, like I said, probably replaces what someone else would be employed to do, you know, and this is just HTML. Can you imagine what it could do with Python and all that? So now we're done with that. I'm going to show you something else that you can do with GPT, and that is build games. I'm going to show you some games that I built using ChatGPT. So let me go to this page that I've dedicated to this. It's projectmanagementdoctor.com/ChatGPT games. And I'm going to have a bunch of games I put out here. But let's do the very first one. This is the number guessing game made with ChatGPT. So I got to guess a number, and the number is between 1 and 100. This code was developed entirely by GPT. So let me guess a number 78. Attempt 1, your guess is too high. You see what's going on there? See the game? All right. Let me make it a little bit clearer. So number's too high. Let me guess 51. Number's too low. Let me guess 65. Too high. Boom. Got it in 5 attempts. Why don't you try and let me know how many attempts you are able to guess it in. And that's just one game, okay? I made a bunch of games here, so I'm going to go to some of the other games that I made. And this is the PMP word game. So we're going to play the PMP word game. Again, all made by GPT. I did not code this. All I did was take the code and stick it in the right WYSIWYG or note card or whatever and stick it into an FTP site, and you can play the game yourself, but guess the PMP term. So I'm going to guess the letter E is in here. Let me guess the letter E is there somewhere. And let's make it clearer so you can see the entire thing. All right, I'm going to guess letter E. Okay, that's correct. I'm going to guess letter S. Uh-oh, 6 attempts left. Letter P. Oh no, letter T. Okay, letter A probably. Okay. Huh. Maybe R? Ah, charter. Probably charter. C, got it. Okay, I nailed it. And it'll give you a few terms. You just keep playing it. So let's refresh. And let's try again. Letter M, letter E, okay. Letter S, letter T. Uh-oh, letter A. Schedule? It is schedule. There you go. So I know you PMPs and you project geeks, I know you're going to have a ball playing this game. So why don't you go on there to that link? Just going down to the main page, projectmanagementdoctor.com /GPT4games. Let me see if I can make that a little bit bigger for you. Right there at the top. Okay, you see right there at the top? projectmanagementdoctor.com /GPT ChatGPT4games. So what we've learned from this is that ChatGPT is not infallible. There are things that you ask it to do and it just doesn't do them very well. It just doesn't. But there are other things that it does do really well, and I got to give it kudos for that, such as some of these other games that I have played today, and you saw these. Okay, so if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, comments, I want you to drop them below. Let me know your thoughts on this tool, all right? Subscribe to the channel, and I'll be showing you a lot more about this tool and bringing you the latest and greatest. You take care, play those games. I'll put the links in the chat. Bye for now.